大家好，我是 Elliot Brownstein。
What's up, UHS hardware fans? I'm Elliot Brownstein. Sorry about that. I had to change the language settings back to English. Just like this KeylessFactory BMW 4-button remote key with the LCD screen. Now, it does come equipped already with the language setting of Chinese, so you have to change it to English, and we're going to show you a couple tricks on how to do that. As you can see, this key has a lock, unlock, trunk, and a fourth option for either a panic button or remote start. Over here you can put in a SIM card, and on the other side is the USB charging port, which means no battery is required. And right here is the power button, so let's power our remote on. Hold it for a few seconds and release. Now that it's powered on, you can see the language setting is in Chinese. So what we'll do is take this power button and we'll put it in standby mode and then double tap slowly. And boom, now you have all your settings here. All we'll do is click on language, click English, and you're done. Slide up to unlock, and here you go. All the features are shown in English.